Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make these cute little banner clips for Valentine's Day. These also can be transitions into making them for any holiday. You can just have some plain ones, regular ones with no theme, or you can stick to a Christmas theme, Valentine's Day theme, St. Patty's theme. They're super fun to make, easy to make, and you can use any clip you want because the clip depends on the paper. So basically you can make the paper size on the depending on your clip size. So I'm going to show you some of the ones that I made last night on some little clips, because usually the ones that I make are, let me show you the bigger ones that I make. These are some bigger ones that I've made. I'm going to fix the focus while I show you guys. Why can't it focus? Come on. Okay, these are the bigger ones that I make, and these are using the big clips. But last night I decided to make some small ones. So I made this one. I made this one. This one. And they don't have to be super embellished. You can make simple ones, you can make over embellished ones. We got this one. This one. And the best part about this project is you can use scraps, you guys. You don't need to have a paper pad to create some little cute clips. So these are the clips that I'm going to be using. They're small ones, not the big gold ones. I want to show you guys that you don't have to have the huge gold clips like these. You can definitely use the small ones. So let me bring back the focus down so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Now, last night I cut out a bunch of strips. These are just some little scraps. So I cut up a bunch of strips, about maybe, not even, I don't think it's about an inch. I think it's about half an inch. No, not half an inch. Definitely not half an inch. Let me see. No, they're about an inch. So I cut out a bunch of strips that I'm going to be using. So what you do is super easy. You pick which one you want to mix together. Like, let's say I want to put these two together. So I'm going to fold my little flag and see if it's not cut even. I just cut off the, I'm gonna have to bring it back up because I'm working up here so you can see what I'm doing. If it's not even, I just cut the little extra off so it could become even, and then you just make your little flag the way you would do a normal little page flag. Sure you guys know how to do that. And then you have a little piece that looks like this. So this will be like your first piece, and then I'm gonna layer this one on top, and you can layer as many as you want. So I'm gonna layer this one about that much, and then I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna make my little flag. Okay, so now I have these two pieces, as you can see, and I'm gonna add one more. So let's see, maybe we can add, maybe I can put this one on the bottom. I think I might want to put this one on the bottom, and then, or this one cover it? No, this might cover it. So maybe we'll do this one. That'll be a little longer. Okay. And then we're gonna bring it in and cut our little page flag. So then we're gonna layer. So I'm gonna put this one on top of this one, and then we can put this one on top of this one. And you see how cute that looks? It has like a little peak of that. Now we're gonna get our clip. We're gonna use a white clip, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide your page flag. Can you see what I'm doing? Slide your little page flag right through the clip, and then you have something like this. And now what you do is you want to just glue down all the pieces. I'm going to use the glue gun, so I'll be right back. I'm going to just adhere all the pieces together. I'm not showing you guys my glue gun because my glue gun has gotten disgusting and nobody wants to see that. I need to add another glue stick. So you can use any adhesive you want. I think it's faster for me to use my glue gun. Alright, there you go, you guys. So everything is, hold on, oh, a little piece here. Now it is. Everything is stuck together, and I used the glue gun. So once you have your little clip, you can decorate it. So let me get, let's see, what can we do? We can add, I'm gonna add one of these little gold hearts, not the gold hearts, the little gold circles, just in the center. And then we're gonna add like a cute little white heart on top, like that. So let's add the heart. Super easy, you guys, and you guys can do it any way you want. And then what I'm going to just do is layer a little wood heart, and then I'm going to leave it like that and just add a word sticker. How cute is that, you guys? Super easy. Okay, so the little wood veneer is attached, and now all I'll get is a cute little word sticker and add it. I'm using the Tim Holtz, like all the holidays. I need to get a new pack because you know what, for Valentine's Day they don't have a lot of choices, and that's not cool. Let's see, I want like a, yeah, right here, like a little XOXO. And you grab your little flag, and then you just put your little word right on top. And there you go, you guys. Super easy. You guys know that my projects are straight to the point. And your clip size all depends on you, whether you want to make the flag bigger. Once you determine the size of your clip, let me focus down. Once you guys determine the size of your clip, you can make the page flag that size, so it could be longer. See, even though I had a big clip, I didn't make my paper size that big. So it all depends on you. Super easy, super fun to include in Valentine's Day Happy Mail. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys make some page flags. Let me know if you guys are gonna make some, and if you do, leave your Instagram down below. I would love to see them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time I load a video. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.